Okay, what we have here is a very rare, fully inflated Aturia angustata with living chamber, and a lot of its knacker intact. This specimen is fully inflated, the Lincoln Creek Formation, just under 2 inches. But wait, there's more. There is a second Aturia and a third, all fully inflated with living chambers. This is the largest. That is slightly over 2 inches, the camera angle, but let's call it 2 inches. And the third one, which is also 2 inches. All three of these Aturia are fully inflated, complete with their living chambers and a lot of their knacker. Beautiful. This is a cabinet piece, so it'll stand up. Big chunk of rock here. Probably weighs about 8 pounds. These are not placed in this rock. These are prepped out in this rock. This is how I found it. This is a true museum piece you're looking at here. I really don't have anything else this nice I'm willing to part with. So, good luck.